Today we are making another Midwest Mixer original, which is the chocolate covered strawberry sour. To start off with this cocktail, we are going to use 0.75 ounces of egg white, because again, Juliana's lazy. I don't crack no eggs. It's not a thing. Then,
except for breakfast.
Except for even then, I don't do that either. I'm not a breakfast person. Leave me alone. All right, then we have 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then 0.5 ounces of strawberry syrup. Get out of there. Then 1.25, sorry, I had a stroke. 1.25 ounces of white creme de cacao. Make sure it's white. It's a really big deal if it's not. So, white creme de cacao. And lastly, 1.5 ounces of your favorite brand of gin. Of course, as always, I do recommend a New World style gin so it's not super junipery forward. Excuse me. All right. Because of that egg white, we are going to do a dry shake or a mime shake just to emulsify that egg. Of course, as always, make sure you have your hands on both sides of the shaker tin unless you would like to wear your cocktail.
Dangerous.
That's what I'm saying. It's a loaded weapon. All right. Then using the bottom shaker tin, we are going to add our ice. And we're only going to shake for another like 10 seconds just to chill down the cocktail and to dilute it just a little bit. Oh, sure. Now I get it stuck. Ugh.
Oh, yay. Anticlimactic.
Oh, you just be quiet, sir. Okay. I have my sour glass here. We are going to double strain because this is being served up, aka without ice, in case you were curious. And we have fresh juice. It's strawberry syrup, man. Get it to me. Where?
They end up in the strainer. Those little seeds.
Those aren't seeds.
What?
Seeds are black.
They are not. Have you ever seen a black seeded strawberry?
Yes, haven't you seen them? They're like little green little things. You just, cameraman, what did I tell you about talking? All right, I'm just going to let this sit for just a second, just so that way all that beautiful foam has some time to rise here. Look at it. It's so pretty already. For our garnish, I do have a chocolate-covered strawberry that I'm going to very carefully set in my cocktail. Oh!
Yes.
Perfection.
Win.
So there we have our chocolate-covered strawberry sour. Okay. I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Even though I made the cocktail, I'm still going to give you my honest opinion. I can make bad cocktails. And then I'm going to rate. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink it all night and hate myself in the morning. So even though the cameraman has been a pain in my tushy, I'm going to give him the chocolate-covered strawberry.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Because I'm not getting my eyeball poked out. He just ate it. Interesting. I smell more chocolate than anything, which is really interesting. Okay, this is crazy. There's no way you guys would be able to see this, but I'm not even kidding. There is a heart in my foam. I'm not even kidding.
It's because it's made with love.
Yeah, there's
no.
I
can see it
can you
too.
see it? It's
kind of.
right,
Yeah.
right there.
You can kind of see the outline of it on the camera.
That's crazy.
Neat. All by design.
Sure. I'm just that good. Okay.
Give me some.
Mm-mm. Okay. So you get, it's really interesting. You get strawberry right up front, the chocolate, and then the strawberry kind of comes back.
It's like eating a chocolate covered strawberry.
It is like eating a chocolate covered strawberry. You get that like nice like juicy juice, then the chocolate, and then you continue chewing and you get a lot more of that strawberry. It's kind of crazy. This is fantastic. It's again, it's light, it's not super sweet. It's still a sour. It does still have the brightness of the lemon coming through. It just brightens up that strawberry flavor. Hmm. One more taste for science. Please hold. I do still taste the gin though. Like it just kind of hits you at the very back of your throat right as you swallow, and then it just kind of goes away. So for me, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. I know the cameraman's mad.
How dare you?
It is very good, but genuinely, I think 4 would be the max for me on this one. And the only reason being, I think if I had 5, I may be on the floor. I don't think I could get to 5. I think I would make it to 4 and then be like, floor. Juliana on floor. That's just mine. It is a delicious cocktail. I would love to drink it all night and hate myself in the morning, but even at 4, I think I would probably hate myself in the morning. Just saying. Delicious cocktail. I hope you guys try it. Ingredients are listed down below. Make sure you give it a try, see what you think. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys at the next pour. Cheers.